Hi dear students, this is Ms. T.M. Rahini. Today I am going to teach you grade 5 second lesson, My Trip to Mysore. I have already teach you the introductory part. I'll recap once again. This topic was described by author. Okay, this part was described by a girl author. She is traveling in a flight from Delhi to Bangalore. We have already seen. Then they all moving to Mysore. She spent 3 days, 3 superb days with her sister Ashima. Can you remember, dear students? And they are taking part in Dasra festival. It is one of the famous festival at Mysore. What are the other famous things in Mysore? Masala dosa, Mysore Pak and Mysore Palace. Can you remember all those things? Okay, very good. Then so they gone to Mysore Palace to enjoy Dasra festival. Now she is describing the 3 days at Mysore. Now I'll teach you day 1. Now in the first paragraph, look at the book, look at the paragraph. In the first paragraph we are going to see about the first destination. Their first destination is Chamundeshwari temple. It is one of the historical one in the Mysore. Mysore, look at the book. Mysore is an ancient city. Mysore is an ancient city. Ancient is old. Okay. According to legend, goddess Chamundeshwari, after a long battle is fight. Okay. Goddess is a girl goddess called as goddess. Kill the evil demon king. Evil demon king is like a bad king. Okay. Evil demon king Mahishasura in Mysore. Actually, Chamundeshwari killed Mahishasura in a battle. She is also known as Mahishasura Mardini. I think many of you may know her name, Mahishasura Mardini. The city was thus called Mahishapuram or Mysuru, which later became Mysore. Now can you able to grasp that how they had name called Mysore? It is because of Mahishasura Mardini. Okay. Then the Chamundi Hills or Chamundi Beta. Beta meaning hill. Beta means hill in Canada was our first destination. Now first they are moving to Chamundi Hills. Okay. Then in the second paragraph, they are describing about the beauty of the hill. Which hill? Chamundi Hill. Okay. Ashima and I hopped onto a bus that took us to the Chamundeshwari temple located atop the beautiful green hill. Actually, it was a green hill that was too beautiful, and there are about 1,000 steps to climb to reach the main temple. How many steps to reach the main temple? 1,000 steps. Some devotees prefer to walk up the hill. Some devotees, actually devotees is the people who are visiting temple. Okay, so we are called as devotees when we are visiting temples. Then some devotees prefer to walk up the hill. Some were going by walk and some were going by bus. Around the point of 800 steps, we reached the beautiful and gigantic statue of Nandi. Gigantic is like big one, and Nandi is you may know that it is like a cow. Okay, Nandi. And once we reached the hilltop, we witnessed the breathtaking view of the Mysore Palace and a beautiful lake. Breathtaking is something of great beauty, and that takes one's breath away, like such a wonderful one. And they are also seeing the beautiful lake. There was also a large statue of Mahishasura. They are seeing Mahishasura's statue. There are 2 temples on Chamundi Hills. There are they are in Chamundi Hills. In Chamundi Hills they have 2 temples. One is the Mahabalishwara temple, and the other one is the main Chamundeshwari temple. The first one is Mahabalishwara temple and the second one is Chamundeshwari temple. Chamundeshwari temple is the main temple at Chamundi Hills. These ancient temples, ancient is I already told you, it's one of the oldest one. The ancient temples are two of the most beautiful ones that I have ever seen. It was such an wonderful temples that she never seen before. Next, Arthur bus next took us to Kukrahali Creek, one of the many lakes in Mysore. Now they are moving to Kukrahali Creek Lake. It is a large man-made lake and a popular tourist spot. It is one of the famous tourist spot there. The lake is close to the University of Mysore. It is nearer to the University of Mysore, one of the oldest universities in Karnataka and in India as well. Actually, in the place of Karnataka and India, this university is one of the biggest and oldest university, and the lake has stone benches neatly placed along its banks. The place were fully neat and tidy. Then shall we move to the last paragraph? The lake is a home to several migratory birds. What is meant by migratory birds? Birds moving from one place to another is called as migratory birds. We spotted the beautiful Pelician night heron and the gigantic Eurasian spoonbills. These are all a kind of migratory birds. Okay. Another splendid sight at the Kukrahali Creek was the string of bougainvillea trees. Bougainvillea trees is one of the famous trees at Kukrahali Creek. And after taking in a healthy amount of oxygen at the lake, Ashima and I returned to our room and began planning for the next day. Now they both planning for the next day. Thank you, dear students. Next week I'll teach you day 2. Thank you.